back a new video. In this video I will show you how to edit professional dark brown effect in Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photos before and after using this filter. Photos added with my presets or your presets on my Instagram. The best preset add-ons include story promotions on Instagram and videos on YouTube. Don't forget subscribe and like. Okay, let's start editing. First, to basic adjustments, select light panel. Exposure down to -0.24. Next, contrast to 10, and highlights value to -30. Increase shadows to 65. Down whites to -43, and blacks to -14. Next, select curve panel. To reduce the time, I will paste the settings here, following the steps. Done. Next, select color panel, temperature to -6, and T+6. Increase vibrance to 50. -18 inches of saturation. Select mix adjustment, select red, hue decrease -53. -43 to the saturation, and luminance to -35. Select orange hue to 14. Saturation to -20, and luminance to 6. Select yellow color, hue down to -65. Saturation to -8, and luminance to 7. Select green, hue to -71. -100 to saturation. Luminance down to -37. Next, cyan color, hue to 70. Saturation to -100, and luminance to -90. Go to blue, saturation to -34. +22 the luminance. Done, perfect. Next, select the color grading panel. Select shadows tone, increase hue to 165, and saturation 5. Blending slider increase to 100. And select highlight tone, hue to 93, saturation to 3. Hit OK. Next step, go to Effects panel. Bring up clarity to 20. Dehaze to 11. -30 vignette. Midpoint to 20, and feather 81, roundness to 30. Final step, go to details, increase sharpening to 40. Radius to 0.80. And noise reduction to 10, then color noise reduction to 15. Finished. Let's see before and after. Before and after. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Copy settings. If you want this preset, you can download the video description from the link. Awesome. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. See you next video.